In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use saved audio on Instagram story. Now the option to add in audios from your saved option is available to some people and other people have no access to this option. So let me quickly show you. When you tap on your story and maybe take a story or add in a picture or a video, you can tap on the stickers icon and tap on music. Some people can see an option which says saved right here, but others cannot. Now for the people who don't have this option, there is another way that you can add your audio to the Instagram story. Firstly, quickly head over to your saved audios, tap on the three lines on the top right of the screen and head over to saved. Here you can view all of your saved audio. Tap on the audio option and tap open the audio. Now here you'll have an option of use audio. You can easily tap on it and now it will directly take you to your reel section. You don't need to post a reel, simply upload the picture or the video that you want to post as a story. Let's say I select a picture here, and as you can see the audio has been added to this also. You can tap on add on the top right and then tap on next. Now after that is done, you can see the video or the photo that you added has now the audio that you have saved. Now what you need to do is tap on save on the top right of the screen. Now this particular post has been saved to your gallery. Now what you need to do is head over to your story section and then simply pick the post that you just saved, which is this one for mine. And there you go. Now you can easily see that the photo or the video that you've just added has now the audio that you want to add on your story. Now you can tap on your story and add it. So it was a bit a lengthy process. That's the only way that you can do it if you don't have the saved audio option on your story. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to subscribe, share and give this video a thumbs up. That's going to be all for today and I'll see you in the next one.